Beans, beans, the magical fruit. The more you eat, the more you toot. I sang that silly rhyme as a kid, didn't you? But beans don't have to cause digestive distress if you know how to prepare them. G. Willikers here, and I'm going to demonstrate how to make the most nutritious and tastiest bean stew you have ever had. After this, you'll be rooting, but you won't be tooting. Keep watching.
I'm a big bean fan. In fact, I love beans. I'm always on the lookout for some kind of bean that I have not yet tried. And what I have on hand right now is lima beans, brown beans, garbanzo beans, red beans, black beans, pink beans, pinto beans, kidney beans, black matpe beans, moth beans, mung beans, mayacopa beans, navy beans, soybeans, fava beans, fayette beans, and even calypso beans. Beans are nutrient-dense foods, rich in protein, fiber, vitamins, and minerals, while being low in fat and calories. And when you combine them, using different types, you get the best of different proteins and amino acids all mixed together. The first step in making a great bean stew is to pick up 7 or 8 types of beans that you're going to combine. I try a different combination every time. Then, using a 1/4 cup measuring spoon, put 8 to 10 spoonfuls of dry beans into a crock pot. Beans are an excellent source of plant-based protein, making them a key protein source for vegetarians and vegans. For example, soybeans provide almost 29 grams of protein per cup of cooked beans, while most other beans, such as pinto or black beans, contain around 15 to 16 grams per cup. Fill the crock pot with fresh water, cover it, and let it sit for 12 to 24 hours. Some people say just let it sit overnight or even a few hours, but that is not enough time. Beans contain complex sugars called oligosaccharides, which the human digestive system cannot fully break down. Then the gut bacteria in the large intestine ferments these sugars, producing gas, the famous toot. A longer soak leaches out many of these sugars, and a longer cook time takes care of the rest. After soaking for 12 to 24 hours, the beans will have swelled in size and gotten softer from absorbing water. Pour off the water they were soaking in and rinse them well in a colander. Also rinse out the crock pot. Beans are rich in both soluble and insoluble fiber, which supports digestive health, promotes satiety, and helps regulate blood sugar and cholesterol levels. Navy beans are among the highest in fiber, with 19 grams per cup of cooked beans. On the average, beans provide 7 or more grams of fiber per half-cup serving. Pour the softened beans back into it and fill it with fresh water. Beans are also high in complex carbohydrates, which are digested slowly, helping maintain stable blood sugar levels. Most beans are naturally low in fat and contain no cholesterol. Put a lid on the crock pot and turn it on to high heat. You are now going to let it generate its stew for the next 24 hours at least. Beans also contain antioxidants that protect cells from free radical damage. Every few hours, stir the beans to make sure they are cooking evenly and not sticking to the bottom of the crock pot. Beans are packed with essential vitamins and minerals, including folate, thiamine, which is B1, riboflavin, which is B2, vitamin B6, vitamin K, vitamin E, iron, magnesium, potassium, zinc, copper, manganese, and selenium. These nutrients support heart health, red blood cell formation, and overall metabolic function. After 12 hours, add more water since, even with the lid on, some of it boils off. Regular consumption of beans is associated with reduced risk of heart disease, improved gut health, weight management, and better blood sugar control. The high fiber and protein content can help reduce hunger and support weight loss, while soluble fiber helps lower LDL cholesterol. After 24 to 30 hours, it is time to add some spices. A teaspoon of salt, a tablespoon of Bragg's liquid aminos, several tablespoons of Lebanese Zatar, and a large dollop of May ploy curry paste. Take your pick of the green, yellow, or red curry paste. They are all great. Then turn the crock pot heat down to low. It will continue to barely simmer. After 2 or 3 more hours, with the spices mixed in, the stew is ready, and the beans will have generated a rich, flavorful broth. Time to enjoy.
Thanks for watching today on Age Allies, and join me again for next time. I'd love to read your comments, and please subscribe to this channel. Thank you again.